So we discovered that today that the B-2 bomber is basically unflyable today. The wind is way too strong when we get the big gusts. And then this one is okay. You're doing great. You're doing great. Just, you didn't have enough runway there, right? Yeah. Whoa! She got me. All right, why didn't you fly it that way? She got me. All right. That's the beauty of these things as well, is the props are in the back. So she nailed me 100% and no damage. It's also nice to have jeans on and possibly long sleeves when you're flying. I don't know.
Likey